In the last week's analysis, we talked about a potential support at 6 for NG, and we also expected, because since we have seen a drop from the highs, we can see a good bullish momentum. 6.8 levels, 6.6 to 6.8 levels are achieved. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect this week? Is it the reversal? Is it a bullish reversal, or is it going to continue with the bearish bias? Should we buy? Should we sell? And if we do, at what level so that we can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Also, pressing the bell icon will keep you updated with my next analysis on NG, which I share every day morning with the Asia session. So do not miss the daily analysis. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts first. On the weekly charts, yes, higher lows are seen. At the same time, if you just connect, the double bottom was seen earlier, and if you connect the dots, extreme bullishness is seen here. It is a widening and expanding triangle. Also, if you just connect here, you will find that if you see it trading above 6.8 next week, certainly one must stay long. Directly 7 levels should be seen, and beyond that 7.2, 7.5 levels cannot be denied. In fact, it can trade beyond those levels and achieve 7.6 and 8 levels. These are also possible because see, the previous drop from the highs were there, and there is all the potential for it to achieve the slightly lower highs, or at least at par levels, and hence a bullish momentum above 6.8 cannot be denied. A very strong bullish momentum will be seen if it breaks past 6.8. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, multiple times it tried to attempt and achieve $6 levels. Very strong resistance there at $6 levels. It has certainly given a rise there. Now see, leaving the tails behind for last few trading sessions, you can find lower lows were seen earlier. And if you see from here, if you observe a little more, you'll find higher lows and higher highs. Now the resistance there is going to be at 7, and it is trying to trade in this channel. The support there at 6.2, the resistance there at 7.2 levels are seen, which are going to be a good resistance zone. Now let's have a look at the last two trading candles. First, the previous candle was a breakout candle, achieved the highs. Next, yes, it traded bearish. Lower highs, lower lows are seen here. Lower lows also indicates that if it drops below 6.6, you can expect a little bearishness, but trading above 6.7 and 6.8 zone, you can remain bullish, and beyond 6.8 it is definitely going to fly high. See, 6.8 we can find very good resistance level here. So I will recommend you to buy at 6.7 to expect 6.8. Just book the profits for 80 cents, and beyond 6.8 definitely we can see a very strong bullish momentum taking it till towards 7. I'll say 6.95 and 7 zone, which is the next resistance zone. Beyond 7 it is going to fly high. On the downside, remember this fact, it is trying to accelerate from here, but at the same time a squeeze can be seen below 6.6. You can again sell for 6.5, 6.4, and then below that 6.26 levels can be expected. So this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, almost double top are done, but yes, the lows from the previous candle are at far below levels, which is below 6. Yes, it needs to sustain below 6 for it to sustain the bearishness. Also, if you look at the body size, see, if it opened here at flat, it may try to close flat, which is precisely at 6.8 levels. Beyond 6.8, 6.9, certainly little bullishness to be seen, but again, towards the end of the month, it may fall back to close at around 6.8 levels, and then next month again start the bullish momentum. So this is my expectation for it. Trading below 6.4, you can expect further bearishness to be seen there on the charts, and hence we need to be very cautious. As on the monthly charts, the swing is done. Now is the time for NG to define the body size. Yes, probably 6.8 it should be a good closing level for the month. Hence it can rise or it can drop, but it will try to again come back to these levels. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators, whether the indicators are also say the same thing or there is a difference which you can find out. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, the 20 and 50 period moving average are on the verge of a crossover. The 100 period moving average is situated far above at 7.6, which should be the next resistance zone. So till the time it trades above $6 levels, do not consider NG as bearish, and below 6 levels certainly it is going to fall for double bottom there. And how far it is situated somewhere here at 5.4 5.3 zone, which is a good support level. Look at the directional movement. This is bullish trying to converge. Stochastic looking upward, it has a potential for it to come back to the overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish now, entering in the buy side. See, it has certainly covered a good enough journey for it to continue in the bullish zone. The RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly chart, the 20 months average at around 7.3, 7.4 levels, and the 50 period moving average at around 6.3, 6.4 levels. This is going to be a very good support. If it draws below 6.6, yes, you can sell, but then expect 6.4 levels to provide a very good support. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic oversold and trying to rise from here. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge from here, crossover for a bullish move. RSI is looking upwards. On the weekly chart, it appears it is trying to reverse crossover for a bullish move, and potential bullishness can be expected for next few weeks for NG. That is my expectation. It may try to well go above 7 and 8 levels. Now look at the monthly charts as we talked about. Yes, it can give you a symmetrical candle, but on the downside, it has to go so far on the downside. On the upside, see, it has given you higher lows. You can find out. And if you create a parallel here, it has the potential for it to take it above 7.8 levels that we need to wait and watch for. Now also see on the downside, it has got the 20 months moving average at around 5.3, 5.4, which is definitely a very good support. The directional movement is bullish trying to converge. The stochastic is looking downwards, indicating bearishness. The MACD, remember on the monthly charts, is trying to cross over at the highs. This is only one fear factor in me, that it is trying to cross at the highs and it can bring you severe bearishness in NG. Why I am saying so? This is for the first time in the history when NG has achieved these highs. Yes, this was the time at around 2005, but then after this is the first time, and potentially it is looking forward to a crossover for the bearish moment. Hence, on the monthly charts, yes, it could rise a little till towards 7.6, 7.8 zone, but then for the next few months, it appears that we may see a little bearishness here. Hence, you will need to be cautious. A crossover there on MACD certainly can indicate definitely it is looking downward. Now look at the RSIs on the monthly charts, lower highs and flat bottom. Once it breaches this, certainly it will call for more bearishness. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and the levels for next week. Now on the upside, where to buy for 6.72 certainly is a very good level beyond which you can buy. Expect 6.8. 6.8 is a very strong resistance here. Above 6.8, if it sustains, it is definitely going to give it a very bullish indication, very good bullish move for 6.9 to 7, and then beyond 7 we can expect it to hit 7.18, $7.2 levels. Beyond 7.2, further highs can be expected. Now yes, before I give you the further strategy and levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The last batch for this year, the 17th batch, is going to start on 28th of November. Only few seats are left and only 10 days are left. Book your seats now. Remember, the tools and strategy we teach are applicable to forex, commodities, indices, or crypto as well. And identifying and keeping those tools and strategies, definitely you can be a profitable trader and complete your pledge to be a profitable trader in year 2023. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals group where just trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. So where to find my contact details? If you go to the home page of my YouTube channel, in the about channel section, if you drop down, see, you will see my email ID and my Telegram ID where you can connect. Also, these details are available in the video description. Hence, reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. Now, once it breaks past 7.2, I will expect it to show you a very good bullish momentum. 7.4, 7.6 and 7.8 levels cannot be denied there, but chances are less. Probably 7.2, 7.4, if it achieves, it can again try to drop from there and come back to 6.8 levels. 6.8 is definitely going to be a very good level to close the month. The NG may try to close the month at around these levels or below, and hence you need to be careful on the upside. Now on the downside, where to sell, I will recommend you to sell exactly at 6.590 levels. Below that you can expect 6.5, 6.41, 6.35, and if it breaks this, you can expect directly for it to achieve 6.22, 6.1, and then $6 levels. Below 6, further bearishness will be seen. Only and only if it trades below 6, you can expect that the NG has breached the downside resistance, directly landing it till towards 5.8, 5.5 levels, and below that a crash can be expected. So take your positions accordingly. Upside is limited, downside it is getting support. Only bearish confirmation below 6 point, or you can say 6 level itself. Below 6, certainly more bearishness to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.